Hello guys, so it's been a long. I have not updated any video, so I am back after 3 months. I was just figuring out the ways to prepare for the GATE exam or the IES exam, Indian Engineering Services, which will be conducted in May, I guess. And for GATE 2018, the notifications will be out in the September. So do remember to apply who all are preparing seriously, and just subscribe to my channel GATE Adda. And for queries you can email me at ambitionforgate@gmail.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. So let's start. So finally here I am with some stuff about the GATE exam. So basically the GATE exam is for 100 marks. As you know, I don't want to bore you people by saying again and again the same things. You can just note down these things just for your information, because now the pattern has been changed. Like the numerical examples are more, where you need to just enter there will not be any choices. You need to enter the numerical value, which carries around 40 marks. Yeah. So aptitude and mathematics will carry 30 marks. Coming to the technical part, core electronics. Here are I have analyzed previous papers like 4 to 5 years, and average marks I have rounded it off. You can just note down. There is not much to say anything about this. And one more thing, if you prepare for GATE, you can write a DRDO, ISRO or NET, or you can National Eligibility Test, or you can go for SET State Eligibility Test. So even I am preparing for that. So I am making some strategies which I want to share with you. That's why I have started this channel. So before commencing the classes, I would just like to go for some motivation, because everyone needs motivation before preparing. So let's go for it. So starting with, everybody wants a good rank. So I won't give any philosophy here. I just want to clarify some things before you start preparing. So I insist you to be a better learner instead of assuming the things like you know it. First, if you feel like you know it, then you need to practice it, because just knowing the things will not help you. You need to practice and practice and practice. So others may say like, यार इतने सब लोग लिखते हैं, कुछ नहीं होगा. You just don't listen to them. It's a myth. And to build your strength, it will take around 21 days. Like some of the scholars have practically noticed it. So it's a proven theory. Focusing on the goals would take 2 to 3 months. Like you'll be frustrated for 2 to 3 months. Like you might be feeling like, what I am doing, what the hell I am doing. It's just for 2 to 3 months. You just have to go through that time. Once you go through that time, then you'll cope up with everything. I'm sure you'll get through this exam. So as I said, do not expect the instantaneous results. Like many of the students feel like, if I study now means I have to solve all the problems of the GATE exam. It's not possible. Okay, because solving old year question paper takes a time, because the questions are very logical. Means they have created it before, means they have not been asked before in any exam. They'll create the questions. So to answer such type of questions, you need to build your logical ability. Okay, so do not expect instantaneous results. As I said, refer to the standard books. Do not go for local authors. Go for foreign authors. Like in the digital electronics, you can go for Morris Mano, 2nd edition or 3rd edition. And the next is give mock test for each topic. This is very, very important. Many of us will forget, like if we just study one concept, we'll leave it. We feel like we know everything by solving 2 to 3 problems. That's not it. You can go for many online test series. I don't want to mention the name, as you already know it. Like, I don't know, Made Easy or something like that. You can go for it because they are very good tests. Next is a revision. So the crucial part is a revision. Even I feel a little problematic here, because reading again the same thing feel like boring. Yes, you have to do it. You have to do it for at least 6 months. If you do it for just 6 months, and then you know what the result would be. So if you are, even though you are bored, just go for the revision. Finally, do not get frustrated. As I said, it will be little frustrating when you start preparing. Even though you're interested, or you may not be interested, but you want to achieve it, it will be little frustrating, because there will be some things like you may not get through it. Even the toppers are there, even they don't know many of the things. Okay, you just, it's not like you need to be genius to clear the exam. It's not like, it's a myth. Okay, the next is be ready to sacrifice. This is a thing where I'm not saying you to leave everything and only study. Do it at some limits. Okay, just spend your time with your friends like 1 hour maximum, because you'll be having the colleges for the people who are in the 7th sem, and for the final pass outs, I guess there will not be any problem for them, because they have the time, so they can manage it. I won't go detail into that. So from next class, I'll be dealing with the digital electronics. So what's my point is, I'll just start with the previous problems. So main thing is solving the problem only. So while solving the problem, I will be explaining the concept behind it, so that you people won't forget it. If you just read the concept, there are chances like you can forget them. If you read the concept with an example, I bet you that you won't forget it. Okay. So thank you for watching my video. Please do subscribe, like, comment, and any queries most welcome. You can comment anything if I am wrong. Thank you.